Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've come to Chester Zoo, as you can see in the background there. The weather's not brilliant, but we did one video back in the summer. What I want to see now is if the behaviour of the animals actually changes as the year goes by. So I'll see you inside. Hope everyone's well. I'll see you soon. So these are the meerkats. They have a long, strong tail. The coat colour is, as you see in the picture, dark eye markings. We're going to have a look at them right about now. So this is their environment, as you can see. They try and match them pretty much to the desert. And there they are running around.
You've seen that one all the way up there, looking out for everyone. Do you know what they're called? He's right on the top, look up.
When they're all together, they're called a mob.
Oh.
They're fighting!
I think they're playing more than fighting.
Look at them all. You got their clothes up now, look. You can do that. You can look at them. They're not asleep, are they?
Digging holes.
That's what they do.
Cats. They're so cute.
Yeah, one line. Just forming their friendship.
They're so cute.
What do you with a?
You want to see the next thing?
What's the white one? What's that? Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, the good girls. What is it, darling? The inside, because it's what? Hey, look, are they fighting? Oh, look, they're having a fight. Look. They're fighting. Oh, they're wrestling, aren't they?
What, they're digging? They're digging? Digging, yeah. Yeah. Digging in the sand.
Come here. Come here.
Is it good?
Oh, look. Look.
Wow, that's how you go outside. Because I got with the meerkats.
So it's called the Verreaux's Eagle Owl. With it looks a bit like that. They're not doing much, are they?
Would you be doing much today?
No.
Probably keep you warm, dear.
Yeah. And there they are. And this is where they live. So we're very close to where the black rhinos are. We're going to have a look at them close up. If you scan this QR code, it'll tell you more about them. There's also Braille available, so all the necessary facilities are here for sign language and audio. Just scan there. And inside, this is what you might see and hear. So let's go and have a look at them. So this is the black rhino. It's the eastern black rhino to be precise. It's its indoor environment. The weather's not brilliant outside, so inside it's more becoming of the temperature they're used to, tropical. There's some information down here. So this is the entire rhino enclosure. It's quite spacious, as you can see. So we've got two in here, obviously. One there and one there. It's very humid in here, but that is to simulate temperatures in the countries where these rhinos come from. How many do we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would wager there's maybe 1 or 2 more inside.
We'll go in and have a look at them.
Yeah. Fun fact for you, if you're watching. What's a group of giraffes called? Leave you to ponder that for a few seconds and I'll give you the answer in just a moment.
I nearly answered that.
Aha. A group of giraffes is called a tower, in case you're wondering. Another fun fact for you, or question for you. What's a group of rhinos called? I'll give you the answer at the end. So we're now inside the enclosure. To show you where we've been, we were out there where everyone's viewing, and we're now indoors. This is how they feed them. The answer to the question, what's a group of rhinos called? It's called a crush of rhinos, in case you didn't know. A crush of rhinos. Somebody's lost a pair of gloves by the looks of things. Oh dear. With Olaf on them, no less. They'll probably be handed into lost property. Bit of a wash and they'll be as good as new. Someone's obviously dropped them. So it's considerably warmer inside the enclosure. It's important to keep it at tropical temperatures, so that it's close as possible to the natural environment of the giraffes. It's quite a large enclosure in here. Would you agree?
It is.
And we're gonna leave the giraffes to their business and exit. You can actually adopt a giraffe, as you can see in front of me, a northern giraffe. There's many ways of doing it. There is actually a QR code. I'll show you inside now. So if you were to scan that QR code, you could actually adopt a giraffe. So, en route to see the elephants in a bit more detail, close up, we found here for the kids, face painting, hand art and letter art, en route. We're going up over this bridge in the pouring rain to have a closer look, if we can, at the elephants. So we'll see in a moment. So Chester Zoo are in Christmas operation now. Looks like they're putting up all their lights for the Christmas festivities. The bridge we've just come over, and we just have a look back a second. They've actually got some lights up above. They're just putting a few bits and pieces together, as you can see. These are their mode of transport. So this is the Dragons in Danger area. It's like a sort of a crossroads, if you will. You can go two ways. Let's have a look at these signs here. Snow leopards, or you've got lemurs, rhinos as well.
Penguins to the
Penguins to the left as well. So we're going to stick with the Dragons in Danger area, because close by as well is where we're having lunch. What's it called again?
The Oakfield.
At the Oakfield, and we're going to show you what that looks like in just a moment. Sorry about the elephants, by the way. I think they erred on the side of common sense. They all went inside, so sorry about that with the elephants. So this is the Oakfield. We're just about to go in and have lunch. 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's two of them. There we are. Oh, well.
That's cool, isn't it?
Get a bit closer. Yeah, we can see him now. And he's just up here. There he is. Oh, he's gone back into his hat. Oh, he's climbing. Way up there. You just see him through the trees, he's climbing. Should we get a bit closer?
Oh, is it?
Just like the building of the dam. And part of the dam anyway. There's one. Where was that other one? There's one over there. See the ripples? That's one thing when you're looking for otters. Follow the ripples.
There you go, it's in
There
the
we are.
middle now.
In the middle.
Coming over towards the other one.
Yeah. Oh, he's building a dam somewhere. Over there. Perfect. It's actually built, he's wooded out. Piece of wood out. Look at that. This is where patience pays off. And there he goes again. He's determined to get that out.
Well, maybe there's food inside of it or something.
Maybe.
Because they sometimes do that to
Yeah.
make the animals work for their meals. They don't just give them the food, they
No.
give them it
Yeah, he's still there.
in toy form.
He's really working for it. And he's gone into the weeds. And he's lost it. There's two of them now. There's one down here as well. Let's follow the ripples.
I think there's food in there.
Maybe.
I might be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. because it's trying to eat
You
the
hear
end
the-
of the
You
tube.
hear the monkeys?
I want to go see them in a minute. We're heading down that way.
Yeah. You think there's food in those?
I do. Because they often give
Oh look,
animals...
there's one over there.
Yeah.
Right in the middle. There we are.
They often have a way of them hunting for their food.
Yeah.
So they don't just give them the food, they make them
We
find
made them
it.
find it.
Yeah. So well, that's why I think there may be food in there.
Mm.
I might be wrong, but... See how he keeps putting his head in the end of it?
Well, otters tend to eat fish, so what's in the
Well,
end?
maybe they've put fish in there or something then.
There's two of them. There we are. And he's gone. See, still see him. I think you're right. I think there's fish in there.
I don't know, I'm guessing.
And one's running off on the bank. He's had enough.
Well, they're having fun anyway.
So this is the Humboldt penguin. And here we go. This is where they live. Well, this is... Probably the closest you'll get to them without actually being with them, isn't it? One thing that Chester Zoo do that's ecologically friendly and very important for our environment is they recycle, as you can see. Food waste, plastics and cans, coffee cups and general waste at the end there. They have these all over the site, so please recycle where you can. It's very important for our planet. Thank you. That's a calf, is it not? A baby elephant.
It could be, it
It
looks
is.
it, yeah.
The baby elephant feeding. There's probably mum and dad over there.
Probably, well that's why the baby's undercover though, because it probably won't want to come out.
Uh,
Yeah, it is a baby, you're right. Very cute.
they are called calves, aren't they?
Yeah. It's got fluff on its back still, that's how I can see it's a baby.
See if I can zoom in a bit further. There we are.
You know what you can call this video, don't you? Rainy day at Chester Zoo.
That's just about what I was going to call it. Although it's always going to be a contrast. The last
Yeah,
one was in the
absolutely.
summer.
Well, we were middle of July last time,
Yeah,
so...
this one is what it's like in the
Winter.
autumn/winter.
Yeah. Yeah, call it rainy day at Chester Zoo. But that baby's got sense.
I'll finish with a shot of the waterfall.
Oh, nice.
Actually, go there again. No, it's too far now.
Yeah.
Hope you can see through the fence. This is a cinnamon ground dove, according to the information. Right there with the yellow belly. Just behind it, quite well camouflaged, is a peahen. You can just see it there. This is a Mindano bleeding heart dove. Hope you can see it through the fence there. She's having a rest. and somewhere you can hear it in the background. Somewhere is a friend of his or hers, just moving through the undergrowth. You can just see it there. There's 3 of them. Here's a bit of fun for you. Rangers must, and it says, yeah, stay safe. Out in the bush, you might meet danger at any moment. So all rangers have stories about dangerous situations. This is one where if you encounter either an elephant or warthogs or buffaloes or lionesses, what would you do? That's the question, what would you do? So, with an elephant, this is what happens. Elephant. Most charges are just a threat. Wave your arms and stand your ground. That's what it says. Warthogs. Any guesses? I'll reveal. Warthogs are fast and aggressive. We hate meeting these most of all. Run away and climb, or hide in a vehicle if you can. Which makes sense. Lionesses. Stand your ground with lions, wave your arms and shout, and they will more than likely go away. And the last one is buffaloes. Buffaloes are unpredictable, but we are more agile. Run, throw your backpack off to distract them, or go behind a tree. So there you are. So this area is the aardvarks enclosure. Now, you may know, as it says there, that aardvarks are nocturnal, meaning that they mostly come out at night. But this is the enclosure area that we have. It's quite spacious, as you can see. But none today. So this area is the entire enclosure where the giraffes, the warthogs and the zebras are able to roam. Very different than the summer, very, very different. Very different behaviour than the summer as well, as you can see. But it's nice, you know, it's nice. Down below us is where they go to drink. So it's as near as an oasis as you can get, really.
Michael. So it's on one more, please.
I can't see. If you want.
Then go to the part where it's on. Do you remember Trick or Treat?
Vaguely, yeah. Your mum introduced me once.
Yeah.
But yeah. So the yellow ones are the lovebirds.
I think they all are. They're just different species.
Right.
But the little green ones with the red cheeks are the ones that we used to have.
Ah. Am I getting closer with this? Oh yeah, I can. You alright? Good. They're almost like parrots, aren't they? There you go.
Yeah, they're tiny parrots.
Tiny parrots. So we're outside the rhino enclosure now, and guess what? It's raining. But we were expecting rain, hence the golf umbrella. But it is raining. Chester Zoo in the middle of the week, a Wednesday it is, and there's a couple of school kids tours in, learning stuff, but we've mostly got the place to ourselves. So there we are. But it is raining. But it rains. There you are. Typical English weather. Last but not least, we have the rhino. And for me, these are probably the most relatable as far as ancestry is concerned, with the horns, as where the word rhino comes from. And it's, you think of the Triceratops, rhinoceros, it's obviously related to prehistory. Or in anatomical terms, there's an operation called a rhinoplasty, which is to do with the nose, hence the term rhino, or a horned one. So I think we'll leave it there. We're going to go into the gift shop. Let's do a quick 360 for you. That's where we came in. So they've got their Christmas lights up. We're going to pop into the shop, which is right there. There we go. Shop. So walk forward.
No, you can't touch. You're going to have a look at that.
Oh, look, they're looking at his baby.
Hi guys. So we're at the end of our day today. It's been nice. It's been good. We had a really good meal, and we had a really good time.
Mia was lovely. Don't forget.
Oh yes. Shout out to Mia, one of the lovely waitresses who served us. What was the name of that place?
The Oakfield.
In the Oakfield. She was fabulous. She should work for Disney. Anyway, that's it for Chester Zoo today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.